guys want to do today?
Hang out with your mom? Oh, yeah. All right. This is new, Joanna. You smell like pine cones.